Well, hi. I've gotten a couple of good questions, really good questions. Thank you for questions about the assignments for this week, and I'd just like to go over them quickly one more time. It's a two-part assignment. Basically, three-part actually. Basically, it's asking you to write a short essay about one article from your annotated bibliography. All right, and this essay is simply a summary of that article. Summary means short. Okay, in this case, 500 words. The purpose of that article is one, to get you to make sure you've read it and understood it, but two, for me to be able to check how your summarizing skills are, how your quoting skills are. You're required to put a couple of direct quotes in there. I want to see that you know how to directly quote sentences from sources. All right. That said, I mentioned in the earlier video, don't do too much direct quoting, and don't quote facts, don't quote figures. Quote the what I call the good stuff, right? Quote the philosophical stuff. Quote the stuff that's in strong language. Quote the stuff that sounds really good. It sounds really expert. All right. Quote the ideas. Don't quote the facts and figures. You can just write those out. You can just summarize those, paraphrase those. That's not a problem. You still need to cite stuff you summarize, and you need to cite stuff you paraphrase. Okay, page number, author, that kind of thing, where you got it from. So save the direct quotes for the really, really good stuff. Okay, so I want to check to make sure you know how to do that. So that's your essay. Now, my recommendation, though, is to do the discussion first. The discussion's an outline, and this is going to be a very simple outline. It's a very short essay. All right, basically, take the number of points you want to make in your summary for your essay. Okay, the number of points that you want to make from that article that you read or reading. All right, that's your outline numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's plenty for the summary. Okay, then if you want, and that'd be enough. Okay, just the order you're going to do it, then that gets you started writing your essay. The other thing you could do is under those numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you could plug in a couple of the direct quotes that you want to use. Okay, that would be helpful. That'd give you an idea. Then you're actually ready to write your essay. So I hope that's been clear enough. Okay. The third part of the assignment this week is you need to go back and look at what I said about your annotated bibliography. Okay, and make those revisions. The things that said, hey, I want you to do this. All right. Then the other thing you need to do that is find one more article. A research paper. Research is a process. It's a process of discovery. It's never over. Just because you're a professor or the business, your business team leader says, we'll find 6 articles. The first 6 you find aren't the good ones, okay? You don't find the really good stuff until you've got about 18 articles, okay? It's about 3-to-1 ratio, right? So you have to keep doing the research. The research is never over, all right? So in this case, you're going to turn in your annotated bib again with the revisions I suggested, plus one more article. So hey, hope this has been a little clearer.